This shopping list manager is your ultimate solution for seamless, organized, convenient, and efficient grocery shopping experiences. With a comprehensive array of features, which are tailored to simplify your shopping routine, this template is designed to revolutionize the way you plan, track, and manage your grocery list. These are the key features. This is the pending grocery section. It helps you easily jot down all items you need to purchase, ensuring you never miss a thing. It contains the following property sections: the ingredient property, where you input the grocery you'll be buying; the food type property, that classifies the ingredients into various food types, including proteins, grain, vegetables, fruit, dairy, and spice; the quantity property, which is the amount of the ingredient you want to purchase; the price property, where you get to enter the price of your shopping ingredients ahead of time and automatically calculate the cumulative price at the bottom of the list. The priority property allows you to personalize your shopping experience by assigning priority to the most urgent ingredients first. And finally, we have the favorites property. So you can add new ingredients by tapping new and filling out the property section. To ensure organization, the pending section database is organized by priorities from highest to lowest to enhance and personalize your buying experience. Ticking off ingredients on this list marks them as done and are moved to the purchase section. This is the purchase shopping list section. It ensures you efficiently keep track of items you've already purchased to avoid redundancy and streamline your future shopping trips. Your shopping is tracked by week, month, and year to provide an overview of your shopping streaks and expenditure. This is the price list section that provides an overview of the assigned price tags for your items. It allows you to monitor price fluctuations and adjust them accordingly. To tweak the prices, tap on the price of any ingredient and adjust accordingly. You can hide ingredients from this list by checking the hide checkbox. This is the favorite shopping list section. It allows you to quickly access your frequently purchased items, saving you time and effort during each shopping endeavor. You can also hide ingredients from this list by checking the hide checkbox. The grocery catalog allows you to explore a comprehensive catalog of ingredients you bought and groups them as per their food type. You can view the price and whether they are a favorite or not. The food market, malls, and supermarkets boards allows you to write your favorite markets to make it easier for you to decide where you'll be going to get your shopping. I hope this shopping list manager provides a seamless, organized, convenient, and efficient grocery shopping experience. You can find the link to this template on the description or the pinned comment. Remember to let me know your first impressions, what you love, and any ideas you might have once you've explored it. Finally, please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos.